Hi friends, welcome back to Next Lectures, lecture number 26. PLC is Omron, software is a PCX program version in 9.5. Today we will discussion of Omron PLC instructions rotate right side. And we will discussion of last lectures rotates the left side. This is the lecture of PLC programming or basic of programming. Now continue. Rotates the right side. Memoric functions are ORs and 0 to 8 functions codes. Shift all bits 1 by bits the rights, including the carry flags. Now this functions open the softwares. Let's see, continue the lectures and create the ladders, new ladder creation. Now open the softwares. Comments mention inputs like LDs 0.00 and enters. No comments. First we set ladder complete control and this window right movements key and set STC short instructions. The set STC, this is the carry flags. Now next lines adding LD short instructions. The inputs is 0.01. Now controls and press right side key and then RORs. Data is T100s like D100s. Okay, so complete, enters. Now this open. Now program is check. Go to program and compiles. No errors and warning. So this is the window minimized. Now open the Alt +3. Sorry, first the simulation key, Control Shift and W. This is the simulation key of software. So open and simulation being done. Now watching window, the opens Alt +3. This is a watching window. So opens D100's address key. So we check D100's the value is 180 and F. So check the binary X value. F means 1, 2, 4, 8. 8. This is the called the 16. F like 16, and second is the 0, and third is the 8. 1, 1, 2, 4, and 8. So represents 8, and next value is the 1. So first digit is the ones. Then inputs 0.0 inputs going on. Then D100 value through hex value shifting from left to right sides. If the carry flag is on, now this MSB bits is 0 to 1 going, and when is the carry flag off, now only data registers memories hex value is shifting from left to right side. So we make practice and check this is the on. Already value changes. Now first we changes like hex value given this a. Now this check 3 register values 1 1 1. This is the A 10 8 and 2 to 10 8 2 to 10 8 2 to 10. Now complete. This is the all shifted value from right side. So this flags is shifting flag. So this is a shortcut key, Control plus G, forcefully on. Now this bit is on. So this is the control fully because all memory is 0, because this value is control on, continue on. So this is changes. So allow this changes. Sorry. So this is a differential up. Now again show, again check, and no warnings and errors are minimized. And you have 100 value is fixing like F, sorry, F and 0 0. So F F F and 0 0, like enter space. This is the value shifting from hex value F F. This value shifting from this side if this input is going on off to on. Now check this control plus J, the force pulley is on. Now this value shifting from this sides, and now again this off. Control plus K, this bits is off. Now control plus J, this bits on. Now this 2 0 is coming, and if this value is coming this sides, now carry flex is on, then this value shifting from this sides. Right side value shifting from LSB to shifting from MSB. One carry flag only once, not shifting from 0. 0 is already 0, calls 1 shifting from MSB side. So first check this, continue like this. Control plus K, this off. Control plus J, this on. Control plus K, this off. Like multiple practice this shifting. You check this, you check value is shifting, continue. I want to see what the carry flag is on. Now this is the right side is the 1 1 1. If the carry flag is on, this value shifting from LSB to MSB. This is the rotating from right side to left side carry flag. Now this HTC's carry flag is going from off to on, forcefully on. Now again to change this value, now off this bits and against to on. Now this value shifting from this side, again the carry flag bits is going off, now off. Now what, no shifting, this carry flag is lapse, this value is lapse, continue. So only once is shifting from this side, and also here this is 0. So again this on, off, and it's on. Now here you one lapse, no shifting, this one is this side, so 0 is also present. So I think your you understand these lectures, can completely fully watch this video completely. Thank you for watching this video.